This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Smart #5. It's the Seeker 7X brother from another mother. They both come from Geely. They have both the same really fast charging battery, 100 kilowatt hour. But this is actually a lot cheaper. It's only 500k and it's even the Brabus. Goes like a freaking rocket. But what we want to find out in this video is how much space do we have? The Seeker 7X had amazing good space. More than actually many other cars in the same class, whereas let's say Model Y or even the Q6 e-tron and also the Xpeng G6. But what about the #5? The poor man's Seeker 7X? Well, let's find out. First, do we have a Frunk? Let's see. Hey, what? Oh, okay, there we go. Where do we open the frunk? I mean, I test hundreds of cars, you know. Usually there's a handle over here and maybe a handle here, but well, dude, why don't you use this handle? Well, it's just an opening for some storage. There's a where is the handle? I cannot see it. Maybe I have to do it inside the screen. Oh yeah, there's something wrong with this car. So I get this hula every time, and then I have to choose language. I can skip it now because I have to be in guest mode because the car has no internet. In guest mode, there's limited features available. So I ask the importer how to reset this car, or maybe I'm going to press and hold here. But okay, let's see. Do we have anywhere where you can call it a noob? Yes, the front hood. Let's open the front hood. All right, alles gut. Okay, I tried to reset the car. Press and hold the power button for around 30 seconds or 10 seconds. I don't remember. So the main screen came up quite quickly. Secondary screen though. Skip. Start. You see here in the top right corner, there was a cross out over on the 4G or the connectivity. There, you see. I tried also via Wi-Fi. It doesn't work, so I don't know. The auto is kaputt. Scheiße. Oh, you have the button to open the trunk and the frunk, and also lights under the steering wheel. Very convenient. Oh, voila. Ooh, there is actually a frunk here, but even I can see that a banana box won't fit here. But at least charging cable, no problemo. Wait, let me see. Do we actually have a lid under the lid? Yes, yes. I don't know what's up with that. Double lid. Here, this is just dead weight. Doesn't do anything. We just throw it away. Okay, maybe for dust and water protection. All right, okay. Wow, look at that sexy ass. You just want to whoop that ass, huh? Well, or actually, maybe it's not that sexy, but you know, I like big butts and I cannot lie. Okay, so see here, wait, do we have a kick sensor? It's usually swipe or kick around the Norwegian flag here. No, okay, well, you can just press here to open the trunk. Well, good. So we have a decent sized trunk. See, it seems like there's supposed to be a lid here. Oh, my bad. Here's the lid. The noob. You can of course raise the lid to become higher, or you lower it, or in this case we're gonna take it completely out. So that's good that it can be removed. And then here there's even some more stuff beneath that we could remove. Yeah. Wow. There's a little well here. Of course, that's good. Subwoofer on this side. Here we can fold the seats. Same here. We have some hooks here for securing cargo. 12-volt outlet in the back. Also in the front. Great. Ski opening. Checks all the right boxes. And I can see there that you can recline or go upright. So you're gonna go more upright. Wow, me as a peasant, I was looking back here for the seat adjustment. No. This is a Smart. It's a Mercedes. You do it here in the door. See, you can go more laid back. That's the maximum laid back. But we want to go upright like this. Then it goes. I mean, it's not totally church bench, but then I was like, what is that? Okay, press it. Wait, nothing happens. Okay, this is seat heater. Huh? Now it's just... Is supposed to... Something's supposed to happen? I don't know what this does then. Well, interesting, there's even a button here. A 2 button here. Huh? What? This would do basically the same thing. No, wait, what? What's going on there? Whoa! Whoa, the seat goes forward. What? This is madness. You get the king size seat here. Well, okay, I'm gonna say. Well, it basically just adjusts whatever is possible adjust in the front. Okay. It doesn't do any crazy thing. There's no queen seat. There's no leg support coming up here, unlike the EQS Maybach. Well, but this is the poor man's Maybach, isn't it? Round 1 in the trunk. I felt like we could put a lot in here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is really good. Wow. Most cars like crossovers, SUVs, they can take 7 to 8. 9 is in really the high end here. And okay, we only took the seat slightly upright. Still good seating position. It's not like we pushed the seat forward and cheated like that. So this is really good. Now we're gonna fold the seats. Just do this. And then we try again. Wow. This time also I felt like I could fit a lot in here. That's what he said. But yeah, see. The leg room is actually so good that we can lay down flat one of the boxes. And then also the headroom is quite good. So we can fill it up all the way. Plus it has panorama roof, or glass roof. And the car is quite boxy. So yeah, I was surprised it can take a lot of boxes, but how many can it take? All right, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. What the heck is that shit? Did I accidentally put... Huh? What? It's not locked? Okay, what was it? Where were I? 8? No, wait. No, 9? 9? No, 8. Okay, 8.
9, 10. 11, 12. 13, 14. 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
28, 29. Whoa, 29 boxes. This is amazing how much space you get in this relatively compact car. Well, it looks to be compact, but it's actually quite big, yeah, when you compare it to me. So it's like a fat soul, you know? Wow, 29 boxes. It's similar to many way bigger cars, actually, at least in the footprint. So there you guys have it. If you want some of the most spacious car and it goes like a rocket and it's overdrive, get the #5 Brabus. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.